everybody. I'm back with another video. No, I said like forever ago I was going to make a tutorial not long ago. I got to it. It's a really nice day out and it's been cold, so I had to. And today's lesson is going to be on isopop variations. So if you don't know how to do an isopop, go find somebody else's video and learn how to do it, because to do these other ones, it's kind of like there's like a reverse, you know, it just like switches it up a little bit. So if you don't know how to do the regular, go figure that out before you try these. In total, there are eight variations to do this, to do an isopop, except you have two arms, so technically there's really only 4 on each arm. Okay, so I'm going to go over what the 4 isopops look like, and then I'll explain a little bit about them. So here, go in regular way, do your regular isopop. By the way, I'm using my left arm. And then the second isopop is going this way. The third and the fourth, you're going to stop and go the other way. Isolate the other way. So the third, and I can't hold this very steady, back that way. And the fourth, which I think this one is the hardest, going the direction of a regular isopop. That doesn't look perfect. So, to explain a little bit about them, considering when you do regular isopop, your arm is going back, but you're pushing out, so the other way, your arm's coming down, and you're pushing out that way. So it's kind of like the same thing, because you're pulling your arm back this way, but you're pushing that way. You're just, yeah, honestly you're doing just about the same thing as the other side. Just have to practice it. It's really awkward at first. At first I didn't think it would be possible to me. But apparently it is possible. So the other 2 ways, when your arm is going in the other direction, the isopop that feels most like the regular one is going this way, and when you do it, it's going from, you're pushing from about here to up here in whole. So you're pulling down, pulling this way, pushing out that way. Just have to get used to the feel. I'll get a little bit closer. Come down, push, and roll your hand up to the top. And then the last one, the most awkward, I think. So you're still going the other way, pushing out, and you're coming from, I think why it's weird is because your hand is moving this way, and you're pushing that way, but I mean that's cool, I guess. So push out, and then you have to kind of move your hand in that like triangle way, like when you learn the regular, but it's a little bit more difficult to keep very stable. But anyways, that is my lesson. It's kind of just like, all of these are kind of just like learning regular isopops, except you're learning them in different ways. Like, you know, maybe you could have learned one of the others before you learned the regular one. I don't know, maybe the regular isopop really isn't the normal one. Yeah, so, I mean, you're playing with the same ideas, just different directions. And, you know, a different way to, you know, variate your isopops is to push down, you know. Just do them in different ways. And move your hands. Like, switch it up before you push this way. Stop. Push the other way. You know, push down. Push up. You can do all sorts of things with isopops. Just have to practice a lot. Once you get down the basics, you can do just about anything.